Hey guys, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and as some of you may or may not know, depending on if you're watching this on YouTube, we do actually have a very big website, eTeknix.com. You can go over there and you can find the latest news, reviews, and just general sort of written content. Now what we've actually done today is we have released a written review of this chassis, the Lian Alpha 550. Now this is one of the latest chassis from Lian. It's tempered glass, it's RGB, what more could you want in 2018? So we actually decided we're going to do something for you guys. So we're actually giving away one of these chassis. So this one here is actually the white one. It does come in black as well, and the written review was of the black one. When it comes to winning this, you can actually choose what colour you want, black or white. So it's entirely down to you if you're chosen as a winner. Now, just to give you a general idea as to how the competition is going to go, we're running everything through Gleam, and the link is actually in the description below. So feel free to go and check that out. What you have to do is head over there, and there's just monumental ways of just entering this competition. You can follow us on Twitter, you can like us on Facebook, you can go on Instagram and follow us on there, or you can do a combination of all of them. If you end up doing that, what that will actually mean is that you get more entries. So essentially the chance of you being picked as a winner is going to be a lot higher. And that's pretty much it, guys. Really simple to do. Just wanted to make a video to sort of showcase what we're actually going to be doing, give you guys a bit of an indication as to, you know, us actually giving something away. And if you do like this type of video, essentially announcing that we're doing a competition, let us know in the comments section below. Other than that, until next time, see you later. And of course, good luck.